think I struggled for a minute with finding something to do on my own, and what was I gonna do? I knew I was passionate about makeup, but I didn't know I could have fun every day doing my job. I'm Kylie Jenner, and I am the founder of Kylie Cosmetics. I had an insecurity with my lips when I was younger, so I turned to makeup to help me feel more confident. I went to the makeup store and I didn't even know really what colors I was picking. I was just like, I want some lip liner that looks like the color of my lips because I just want my lips to look fuller. But I could never find a lip liner and a lipstick that matched, or even the right color that was perfect for me. So that's where the lip kit started. I was so focused on like formula and color, but everything else just kind of fell into place. I put so much love into everything that I make, and I make sure everything is perfect and something I would personally use. So then when I see my fans have it and they love it and their reaction, that's what's the most exciting to me. Starting a company on my own and it being so big from the beginning, there's not a lot of room for mistakes. Every company has mistakes. They learn from them and they change them, but it's probably owning up to those from the beginning and just being honest and changing them in front of everybody. I'm the face to my brand, and I take responsibility for everything that happens. I haven't learned everything from my mom yet that I know that I need to. She teaches me something new every day about everything. She's my goals, and each day I'm like trying to take it all in. She's definitely been a huge part of the success of Kylie Cosmetics. If I could give some advice, it's do something that you love. If you're building something from the ground up, like do something that you're passionate about. So you just have fun every day and you love what you do.